All right, it's Wednesday. They're calling for rain today, so I figured it's a good time to get some stuff into the shop that I want to scrap. But before I do that, I want to get some of these goodies that I got from my scrap gods put away back here. Well, that's a heavy piece right there, let me tell you. So I'm organizing my yard. Boy, let me tell you, I'm moving some stuff back today, as long as it's not raining. Moving some stuff into my shop. This got brought to me yesterday. I'm going to see what kind of motors are in them things. I have 3 of them. I'll probably tear them motors off. Probably won't take long. 2 motors in that thing, so if I can just get the motor off, that's money. Today, I'm going to take every microwave, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that I can see. 6 microwaves. I'm bringing them in the shop. I'm tearing them down today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 7. I don't know, but they're going in my shop. But before I can do that, I have to get a few more other things organized, put where it belongs. First thing I'm going to do is fire up the old tractor that hadn't been run all winter. This thing hasn't ran for quite a few months, so I'm hoping after I pump up the tires that I can clean up this daggum mess that I've got here and make my yard a little bit more workable. So today is going to be my day for that. I have a lot of trash that's getting ready to get thrown away. Buckets, old broken coolers, ladders that I've torn down already. Need to go to the trash. Coolers that don't have lids for them, to the trash. Yep, today is going to be that kind of day. So stick around for some fun. Started right off like a champ. Yeah, baby. Let's go get some rotors. Look at all the goodness. Look at that. What other kind of goodness we got? Some bolts. More bolts. Nice rag. I'll let them things dry out. Fire pit. Meow. Meow. So I just got this phone call. They said, this is the Amazon account information, and it looks like you've placed a few orders. I want to know if you ordered this stuff. I said, well, what stuff? Well, there's a computer that's being mailed to Mexico. I said, I haven't ordered a computer. Well, would you like to cancel that order? Because it looks like you have multiple orders that have been from different places. And how many accounts do you have? I said, I have one account. One account only. Well, somebody has ordered some stuff from your account. Would you like to cancel it? I said, well, yeah. She said, well, we can cancel these other ones that haven't been shipped, but there's been one that's already shipped to New Mexico, and we can't cancel that order. You'll have to do that through your bank. Who do you use for a bank? I said, Bank of America. Oh, okay, well, we're gonna have to connect you with Bank of America. Hold on just a minute. I said, okay. So this guy comes on the phone. He said, hello, this is such and such from Bank of America. I understand that you have had your Amazon account compromised. Would you like to cancel your order? Or, and I was like, yeah, I didn't order anything from Mexico. I would like to cancel anything that's been sent to Mexico. Okay, well, can we get some, we're gonna have to get some account information from you. I said, account information? You're Bank of America, you have all my account information. Oh, but in order for us to cancel this order, we're gonna need some more account information. Click, I hung up. Like, I don't think so. God. These are all heavy steel. I think I'm gonna go ahead and move all my heavy steel over to this spot right here. Got all my dirty aluminum that I'm working with. Yeah, moving all my heavy steel. Anyway, yeah, click. So yeah, the last thing you want to do, Amazon's not going to call you probably, number one. And number two, they're not going to connect you over to Bank of America and them ask you for your account information. So don't be fooled. Don't be fooled. Hang up. As soon as first thing I did was went in and looked at my Amazon account for my orders, and sure enough, I only had, all I had on there was what I had actually ordered. There was nothing being sent to Mexico or anything like that. These are the chains for that. They have been bent all the hell. Don't think I'm going to be saving them, to be honest with you. I don't want chains. That machine used to be in New Jersey where they had snow and ice and they needed chains. These are pretty rusted at this point. They've been sitting around for quite some time, but that is still heavy steel. So I'm gonna organize. I'm gonna organize my lot today. Hopefully before the rain gets here. Calling for 90% this afternoon, so I'm pretty sure we're gonna get some rain. And before it does, I'm gonna clean up. Clean stainless. I'm gonna clean up today, guys. I want to get all of that back there, except for the microwaves. Oh, I see 2 more microwaves over there. 8 microwaves. All I'm doing today, microwaves. So if you want to see a bunch of microwaves get broke down, stick around. The last thing you want to do is put that in your regular shred metal, because this will pay double what your shred metal pays. Just saying. because you never know. You never know. Oh, there it is. That's that socket I lost. Lost the socket. Hard telling where I tore something apart at. Goodness, oh, look at that. No wonder it's in my pile.